18th October 2024. From Author Desk, Whitepaper, AI ML Model Architecture with Python. Author, Pradeep K. Suri.
Author, researcher, and AI or ML architect.
The book AI ML Model Architecture with Python is part of a larger effort to provide extensive resources to those interested in AI and ML. The author has curated a collection of more than 500 videos on YouTube covering a wide range of industries and use cases, including the process industry, engineering industry, and service industry, such as healthcare. These videos offer practical demonstrations, case studies, and tutorials on how AI/ML is transforming various sectors. They serve as a valuable resource for professionals and learners alike, helping them to stay updated with the latest advancements and applications in AI/ML. AI/ML Model Architecture with Python offers a comprehensive exploration of AI/ML technologies with a strong emphasis on practical implementation and management perspectives.